How to use overlay in Capcut Mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily use overlay feature in Capcut. So first thing, just head over to your Capcut application, and once you're inside here, just open any of the project, or you can also actually try and open a new project. So in this case I'm opening my previous project over here. So let's say I want to use overlay feature right over here to hide the particular scene in the motorbike. So let's say I want to use overlay for this splitted video. So in that case, what I will do is just come back and click on this overlay feature right at the bottom of navigation bar, just like this, and click on add overlay from over here. Now simply select any one of the photos. Make sure the photo is either blur or white or black based on your choice, what type of photo or image you want to overlay with. And once you're satisfied, you can just simply readjust your position of your overlay feature just like this to hide the object on your video, just like that. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.